Welcome back, guys. Now let's fetch the image of the user. Okay, so if you go to the message slash user, any user whom you have sent message, then you can see you have the user. We're loading the user image also from the about table. Okay, so now the image will be in the message.user.avatar, since we are looping messages as a message. So you can update your image from here. In the profile section you can go and just make an image. Now let's go to the messages, and for now let's keep the link here of the messages quickly, and that we can do from the layouts app, and we have the category here, so we have the name, and we'll go in the add. So here we'll put here. Okay, so let's put it here, copy here and paste this here, and here we'll write message, messages, messages, and here we'll write the messages, messages, messages. Now we should have this link, so now we can easily move to messages. Okay, now we'll fetch the message image for the user. Okay, so first we'll check if the user has image or not. If user don't have an image, we'll show user a default image. So here is the image path, and this is a self-owned message sent by the current logged in user. So in the image section here I can write v if, and here I'll write a message dot user dot aba dar avatar. So if user has avatar, then it will show img. Otherwise here we'll write b else. Let's write the v else, else, and here we'll show default image, default, the default image. And let's copy the same line. So I'll copy this one for another section also. So let's copy and let's go here, and here we have the image, and here I'll paste this. If avatar, then show, otherwise we'll show default image, otherwise we'll execute the v else, else, and here the default, the EFL default image. Now let's save this, let's reload, and let's go here, and you can see this user has the image because I'm logging here as a partition and I do have image, so I see this, and this user don't have, so we'll show the default image for this user. Okay, and for this user, so we don't have image, we'll show the default image. So let's go and let's get the image then. So we know that how to get the image, so I'll copy this image, and we have already seen this, right? So I'll copy this and paste it over here. So storage, and then it will be the message dot, now we have a user which come from the relationship, and we have now avatar, ABATAR avatar, and soft string 7 means it removes the first 7 letter from the avatar. Okay, so if you go here, then in the image section, probably any images here, if you go here, let's browse this, and you can see in the section we have the full path, right? So it's the public avatar. So we are basically removing public and slash. We want to grab only from the avatar and the name of image, and that's the way we display the image here. This is little tricky things we are doing here. So we are just removing this first 7 character, and we are displaying the image here. So if we have image, we'll display this, right? And if we don't have image, then we'll simply paste this here again, and we'll get the default image. So in the public directory I have image in the public directory. So if you go here in the public directory, I have main.jpg, so I'll use this as a default image, and here now I have to give img and the name of image, so I'll give directly here the name of image. So cut this, and here main.jpg. So this image is a bit big, so I'll just write this 70. Okay, now this should be fine. So let's refresh, and this is quite big, so we'll make this 70 as well. And let's copy this for the second step also for here as well. So copy this and we'll also paste this here. Okay, and for default image also we'll copy and paste this. So let's get the default image, so this one. So copy this and let's go down and let's paste over here. Save this, refresh it, let's go here, and you can see here, so this is the default image and this is the user image. Okay, and if you go here, this is the user image and this is the default image. Even you can make this a bit smaller. Let's make 60. So the default image is 70, that's fine I think, but this image I'll make a bit 60. Okay, I'll make this 60 and this should be fine, and this is fine to me.